Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just got my Simon Says stamp kit in the mail, and this is the limited edition kit for Mother's Day. So I wanted to unbox that with you guys. So I have some scissors here, and I'm just going to cut open that box, open it up. And first thing you see is this little paper bag with the little Simon sticker on there. And this was in the box. This came in the kit. It says Nouveau Glimmer Paste. Ooh, I can't wait. And this looks like a full size. It adds sparkling dimensional detail to your craft projects. Oh, you can use those with stencils. Okay. So I'm going to open this up and go ahead and pull everything out of the little bag. Oh, wow. So I'm going to set this to the side here. So we have the Glimmer Paste here. And I'm sure there's a sheet in here that I need to be or is there to tell me everything included in this kit. They usually have a sheet in here, but actually this kit, it doesn't look like it has like the informational sheet with the list of all the items received. So I'm just going to go through everything here. Yes, that's a bummer because I like to tell you guys like the name of the paper, so I'll go back on the website and look everything up. But for now, since I just open this box, we'll just go through everything together. So I showed you guys the Glimmer Paste here. Yeah, usually there's like this instructional sheet or actually just a sheet telling you everything included in the kit. So this is that paste, super sparkly. Can't wait to play with it. And it also comes with a spatula to put your paste on over your stencils. That's a plus. Okay, it comes with the Simon Says stamp soft navy premium dye ink. Okay. Comes with this stencil here, and like I said, I don't have the sheet that goes through all of the products listed to tell the exact names and all the details, but I'll list it in my description box below after I go on the website and check that out. So this is just a pretty rose stencil. I've actually already seen videos using this stencil, so this is going to be good to use with my paste. Pretty pattern paper, and this is double-sided paper. Oh, these are really pretty. Ain't no shame in my mom game. We can't both look good. It's either me or the house. You don't have to be perfect to be amazing. Oh, these are pretty. I got it from my mama. You're the mom everyone wishes they could have. To be honest, I'm just winging it. Life, motherhood, my outfit, everything. That is so cute. And double-sided with the pretty stripes. And this one is some pastel butterflies. Stripes with the mini hearts, tiny hearts. Like a page with like different colored minivans. That's cute. And it's just a solid pink on the back side of that. And this is a page that has everything usually moms deal with. Just busy mom life. more stripes, different colors. Lattes or favorite coffee drinks here. Let's see, another cut apart. Coffee because adulting is hard. That's cute. She believed she could, and so she did. That's so cute. And these right here, you can cut them apart and just do all sorts of things with these. Pretty little cameras. Got some circles. Really pretty. And mom, a title just above queen. I work out. Just kidding. I chase toddlers. That's cute. Some little aprons. Polka dots. Another like cut apart strip page. Really, really pretty. Okay, so that's the paper pack, and this is 6x6 double-sided paper. And then it also comes with a 6x8 stamp set, and this is the For All Moms stamp set. And this is so pretty with the little images to color in. This is so pretty. So this says, Happy Mother's Day for Mom. I love that we both know this. I'm your favorite child. You are so loved. The best fur baby. Fur baby. It's Mother's Day. A bunch. You can just kind of put these sentiments together. No critter could ask for a better mama, mom, grandma, mom. You can just put the sentiments together to form what you would like to say. You're the best. You deserve a whole latte love. Coffee because mom deserves a break. Also cute. I'm gonna have to break out my markers. Okay, and here's another set, and this says the Maggie Holmes one muslin bag kit. This is by Crepe Paper and Maggie Holmes. It's all attached together, and these are some more really nice a page of the little strip sentiments that you cut out for all about Mother's Day. So I'm really, really glad to have this one. And then also you get the envelopes here. There's a white one, there's a, looks like a kind of mint green one or green one, and like a gray color one. And I'm sorry, I don't off the top of my head know the names of these Simon envelope colors. Sorry about that, because it didn't come with that sheet, and I'm saying that again, it didn't come with that sheet. Okay, and these are those bags. This is a super fun kit. These are, you know, like little treat bags. You can actually probably stamp on them, paint on them, fill them with some little goodies, and give them out as treat bags. That's really cute. And I don't see how many do you get? I think there's probably 1, 2, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think 4 bags in here. So you get that. You get that. The 3 envelopes. You also get this looks like some sticky like adhesive sheet. I think the back of this peels off. Yes, this is a sticky adhesive sheet, and this may be like masking paper. But like I said, I'll leave all the details below for those of you who have not seen the kit yet and don't know. And you get these pretty blues, a navy blue. You get a smooth white cardstock, this pretty yellow, and this pretty pink. And I'll list those colors. So you get 5 pieces of cardstock, 8.5 by 11 inches. or 8 by 11.5, however it goes. I have a cold, so I'm like really. You also get a little die in this set, and this is a cute little coffee cup with a little face that's smiling with a little heart in its hand. That's cute. You also get this Heidi Swap lace ribbon. You get 1 yard, and that's cute how it comes on this little spool right here. You also get this polka dot ribbon by American Crafts, and it looks to be black, or it could be navy blue with white polka dots. All matchy matchy. And you also get a little sequin bag mix. You get navy blue, iridescent, pink, just some really fun sequins to go with this kit. And also, last but not least, the little charm mini pop. This is strawberry lemonade, and I'm collecting a little stash over here of those lollipops when I get a sweet tooth. But anyway, that is the limited edition Mother's Day for All Moms kit. And yeah, I'll leave all the information on this kit in the description box below. Also a link where you can get this kit or either find components from this kit on Simon Says Stamp, because these limited editions kits, they sell out pretty fast. But I do believe you can still get some of the components, or probably most of the components from this kit you can purchase from their website. But that is the video, guys. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And again, sorry I don't have that information sheet. There was no sheet in the box or this little bag so that I could give you the names and everything of the cardstock colors and all that. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.